Go on my channel, you'll see his face right now.
Don't go on his channel.
My face is revealed always.
You guys might know my face. So you guys might know me at Minecraft Master.
Yeah.
That person's gone, so yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be driving. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Drive!
Holy crap, cops! I don't know. There's actually cops. No.
Huh?
No, move. I need open door.
Okay, how's it gonna walk it?
It's called a door handle.
So what are we doing?
Okay, hang on. My dad just,
Check this out.
Anthony, Dad just texted us, roll up the windows in the van.
What?
Dad just texted us, roll up the windows in the van.
Oh. Wait. Oh.
Old fashioned. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna be doing.
And for my next video tomorrow, I'm going to be outside with
Don't call me Venomarch anymore.
Farmer.
Epic Bomb 47.
With Epic
Also,
Bomb
he still has to post a video.
Wendy in the Ink Machine Chapter 2.
He hasn't posted a video yet, which is us in the pool.
I'm playing it.
No,
I
you're posting that today. I think people want to see that, but you're just being a jerk. Why are we walking around in circles now?
am. What is that? No more books.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
Ride our bikes.
Let me ask the mom for how to ride her bike. Can we ride our bike, Sean?
Did you get my text?
Yeah, I did. Can we ride our bike, Sean?
20 minutes ago.
Okay. So we're gonna go ride our bikes. Just text me then. Text me. When I have to go home, Kai?
Yeah.
So, and tell my mom we'll be around town. Can we just be around town?
We're get back around the block, get the cat.
We're not just going around the block. That's boring.
You're going in the shower soon.
I don't know, 20 minutes. I'm not gonna go too far. I'm gonna be close by.
Don't lose him.
Like I'm gonna lose him. I know my way around this town.
No, but you got the phone, so.
Just text me. My mom said we're allowed to be around town.
Only views. Wait, but how we going to do our camera?
Tomorrow I'm gonna be out. He just tripped me.
Wait, I don't do everything.
You are?
Yeah, just
I know. I'm gonna be riding that bike.
how.
You can do it like that, Anthony. Want to see how I do mine? I do this or I do this. We're good. Like I said, we're good. This place can be a little weird at night. You can. No hands. One hand's on camera. I'm on the way from my brother. He's slow. He's slow. Come on. No, it's not. Perfect at this. Anthony, I always do this. And I've gotten so good at it. No hands. Look at the handlebars. No hands. Now his hand. So, we heard a little commotion at this house. And I want to go check it out.
Say what?
I heard beats, right? And I wasn't invited. Park? Why? No. No. There's a park. We're going straight. Cool. Yeah. You have no clue where we're going. We're not turning here. We're going straight, then turning up here. Going down. No. So? Let's go. We'll be fine. I know my way around. Anthony, my bus stop is Bavacqua's. I walk up this street every morning.
Hold on, can we stop to... I saw you do both. I guess my phone's still on.
I know. Watch this. Let me get a little speed.
If you drop my phone, you're buying me a new one.
I have 2 cameras filming right now.
No, that's it.
I got... Okay, so... We're gonna turn this way. What's up? But nice busy highway. Yeah, we're safe. What?
What is that?
A white van?
Run!
So yeah. We got this road up here. We got these roads up here. Our town is just really cool to just bike around. Holy crap, Anthony. Oh, we turn! There's a bird up there. Oh, bye-bye, bird. Okay, I'm gonna make you face this way so I can just point and do wobble wobble.
I'm just checking it behind us. Yeah.
It's
That's right.
a nice view-ish. Bob Ross. There's a man in a yellow shirt. Is that SpongeBob?
It's
Okay, so I just rode my bike around and we're just pulling up to the house now. That was a
Like
very...
we're going to last.
I don't know. We can play in the yard. I guess. You were good. You're good. Oh, that's a little bumpy. Oh, dodge the bread. That's bread.